Hi everyone, this is Maggie. Welcome back to our channel. Last time we wrapped up how to debug LED modules after splicing via the data exchange function on the Nova Star system. Today we are moving on to the Colorlight system as promised. Okay, let's go. The modules used are standard P2.5 modules. The receiving card used is the Colorlight 5A75B. This card has 8 hub75 ports in total. Each port has 2 data groups, totaling 6 data groups in all. Before operation, set the computer to duplicate display mode and adjust the scaling to 100%. Now start assembling the modules. 6 modules are used in this demonstration, arranged in a 2 wide by 3 height configuration. Open LED setting and enter screen configuration. Password 168. First, click Detect Device. It can be monitored that the sending box is controlled via USB. Enter the receiver parameters page. Load the configuration file for a single module. Select the corresponding option based on the number of data groups of the receiver card. The cabinet width equals 2 modules, so select 2 splits. Send direction for split type option. Enter the cabinet pixel dimensions here. Send it. The cabinet display is still abnormal. Enter the data group swap page. Switch the mode to menu swap. Right-click to toggle between locked and unlocked states. Scroll the mouse wheel to switch numbers. Switch the corresponding data group number according to the receiver card ports each module is connected to. After switching to the correct number, right-click to lock it to prevent accidental changes. Data swapping has now been completed, but the cabinet display is still abnormal. Next, edit the receiver mapping settings. As we can see, the cabinet pixel dimensions are incorrect. Let's change it to the correct pixel dimensions. Then click here and send. The cabinet display is now working properly. Remember to save to device after configuration is complete. Now let's assume that port 6 of the receiver card used by the 6 modules is damaged, and we have switched it to port 8. As we can see, this module remains unlit after switching the ports. Let's use data swapping again to get the modules to display properly. Go to Data Group Swap and switch to Menu Swap mode. Right-click to lock correct numbers first. The data group numbers corresponding to port 8 are 15 and 16. Scroll the mouse wheel to set the correct number. Right-click to lock the number after change is complete. The cabinet display is now working properly. Then click Save to Device to burn the setting into the receiver card. Alright, that's all for today's Colorlight system guide. Next time we'll continue the Huidu system demo. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.